What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is PnwRcMadness, and boy, do we have a mess on the bench today. Check it out. Yep. Guys, I get super lazy, and sometimes I just feel like I don't want to clean. But anyways, guys, check this out. We got the Mini Maxx on the bench today. We got the JCONCEPTS magmas off the truck, and we got some new ones we're going to install. So check these out. We're going to put them on the truck and go take them for a rip. Okay, so not that it really matters much, but let's go ahead and weigh up the magmas. Normally I carry these guys, but they've been so popular I sold out the last set today. And I do have a few of these left on the rack, enough to do about 2 or 3 trucks. But anyways, yeah, the magmas, they are weighing in at 4.7 ounces. Let me give you a stock tire weight as well. So there's a stock tire. I did say it was 4.8, so this is 3.6, so it's about an ounce, 1.1 ounces heavier for the magmas. Again, the magmas were 4.6, oh, so it's an ounce heavier. And these are going to be 4.4, so they're a little bit heavier than stock, a little bit less than the magmas. There are the tread pattern, and then they're a lot more firm, guys. I was running these on my, what is it, the Max, not my Max Slash, but my Traxxas Raptor, my Raptor Slash, yes. So I really like the tread design. I really like how they feel. They're super firm. In comparison, listen, there's no air coming out. Super firm foam inside. They handle really well on the short course truck. So let's see how they handle on the Mini Maxx. Here we go. Testing out some brand new tires. JCONCEPTS landslides. Installed the brand new 3D PRC RX box, and we have a brand new Futaba receiver since we broke the FlySky remote. Let's do this. Brutal.
Here we go. Camera. All right, enough of the camera on the truck. It makes it super tough to drive, but guys, we're still able to. Oh wow, that's way better. Let's see if we can make it over. Oh yeah, we did. We landed it, but we went in the plastic. All right, these tires are actually pretty awesome. All right, here we go, this side. Oh, it's way easier to keep on center, on track without the camera, that's for sure, guys. And the body doesn't fly off either, so that's awesome. Oh! Oh! We're gonna call that a bash, guys. No brakes. Tires did awesome.